Alright, what is up guys? And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see your portfolio performance history on eTrade. This video helps you guys out. Please consider leaving a like and comment for the algorithm, but please do not subscribe to me. So we are going to be on our eTrade account here, and we are going to be on the eTrade homepage. To see our portfolio performance history, all we need to do is we just need to go to portfolios on the very top. And from here, we are going to go to performance. And from here, we can compare our account with the Dow or with the S&P or with the NASDAQ. You can select any of these and compare your account performance to these performances. And you can even change the time frame, but I'm not going to change that because I don't feel like sharing my sensitive data. But yeah, that is how to see your performance history of your portfolio on eTrade Morgan Stanley. Again, you can click these 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year to change that to whatever you want. Yeah, that is how to see your performance history on eTrade of your portfolio. Have a great day and enjoy.